The strongest impression of Android is Chiwei on the 28th, 20 yen. Can his video capabilities match the iPhone's $16 price point? Let's thank the good article. While shooting 4K 6:4 one batch or 2+2 direct higher, then the lens activity is cleaned in terms of value that matters. Now it's ultra wide angle, unable to escape unless it's video shooting. Everyone take a look at this screen. What does it say from the software perspective? What about these two colors? Wife. At this time you can take a look at Dongfang Hui. Alright, let's get moving. Everyone take a look at the expressions above. They are all standard, with wide adjustments made for different magnification operations. Look at the top. In terms of green, everyone can use it as a reference. One is 13mm and the other is 14mm, so there seems to be some difference. Now over here, let's take a look at how this format performs. As for the opposite side, these two steps. Take a look at exactly which brand is better in comparison. The display of iPhone 4 recipes, where the risk of tickets is almost unrelated to any plan. Opened. Alright, where is he going to look at the sky today? Dynamic position. You all participate in the goddess's full name. These two look almost the same. Navigate again to note the ultra-wide-angle close-up focus on iPhone. Emotional. The forgotten map is indeed different. Speaking of which, you all see the rights protection. Open. Go out, start looking. Casual sound effects of good workers. They grab this clothing as a completely green reference. Now it's a lifetime book. Everyone in Shaodong, look at the expressions below. Who is a bit better? We see this pal. Oh, I got up to see them at Dongxing Wei. From the recording, it seems both are insufficient. Big feet. The color should be slightly beige, with a bit of alley. Ah, over here. Actually, the clouds in the sky aren't very distinct. Why did he make it particularly indistinct? Open it. Let's watch it again. Very active. Very active. Look at their length expressions. Actually, in this situation, you would definitely choose to shoot with an ultra-wide angle. Students, continue to look at the track. Wow, this blur effect is really good. iPhone 16 Pro. The battery life, relatively speaking, is a bit weaker. The X200 Ultra, wow. Closest focusing distance is about 15 centimeters. It's similar to the iPhone 15 Pro. And in terms of the blur effect, this looks really obvious. And it's indeed much better for me. Okay, let's try a smaller one. Is there anything smaller? iPhone 12 Pro. About like this, a line with the X200 Ultra. This one of mine. The focus is indeed. The X200 Ultra looks more comfortable. Alright, let's walk into this forest. Everyone take a look at the colors from my preview. The Vivo is closer to the naked eye. It's so... The actual look of the ground is similar to the Vivo. The ground isn't as green as the iPhone shows, because this lawn is very crowded every weekend. The difference is a bit obvious. Now it's the telephoto of both phones. Everyone take a look at the colors. Colors from the preview interface. Neither of them is particularly accurate. The iPhone, when compared to the human eye, appears more vibrant. As for the X200 Ultra, can see the grass below is closer to what the naked eye sees, because there are usually a lot of people around. On the iPhone 16 Pro side, it looks like the grass is very lush. In reality, it's the feeling from the X200 Ultra side, and then we turn around, there's a flower here. Let's check the focus of both. Both are fine. So let's get a little closer to see the close-up focus on the flowers and grass with the telephoto lens. As for the iPhone 16 Pro, it focuses well, and the X200 Ultra has no problem either. I'll slowly get closer to check their bokeh effect. With the iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro, it won't focus, so let's get even closer. You can take a look at the bokeh effect, focusing capability of the X200 Ultra. It's indeed very strong, especially for a phone. As for the iPhone 15 Pro, it just gives up. It simply can't focus. Take a look at the focus recovery. No problem. You can see this small flower from this spot as well. Bokeh effect of the X200 Ultra is indeed much stronger. As for the colors, from the preview interface, the X200 Ultra indeed seems more accurate. There's no issue with that. This indeed makes me feel it's very strong.